Hey there, Sean Bailey, your certified funnel expert, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about making your first 500 bucks when you don't control the order form, right? I'll explain what I mean here, but I just want you to understand as far as this particular funnel is important to me because back when I was newly starting out, when I was like a new husband, the reason I kind of got going with all of this was that I just kind of felt like I wanted more. I didn't want to just be like an average, like I learned a little bit about, kind of like making money online, but not really much. So, you know, trying to learn all this stuff and take it all in, it was tough because it was like stepping out of your comfort zone and trying something new. So I was afraid of like failing. I thought, okay, what if I don't have what this takes? I just I just wanted to kind of make something for myself and control my own finances and never be dependent on a job again, or be a cubicle dweller for the next 40 years. So you know inside I'm feeling all that, but on the outside, I have to like make it appear like I got it all under control. Like, yeah, no, it's okay, honey. This one is going to be the one. This is the one that's going to succeed. I know this other thing failed, but this one won't. But eventually, after enough failure, it gets to the point where you're like ready to give up on your dreams. So it took. And it wasn't until my wife was diagnosed with cancer and she went through her surgery and her recovery and never once thought about giving up. And that's when I was like, okay, I have to take ownership of my problems, find my solution here, and stop chasing shiny objects. So the plan was to just learn about selling and marketing and copywriting. And that's when I found about Dan Kennedy and Russell Brunson and learned about internet marketing and funnels. And I'd still even when I was still starting out, I would try something, and before I would settle in and devote to it, I'd go and try something else. But eventually, finally, I made that first online dollar with a simple funnel, and I'm going to show you. And it was after that I went on to make money with my own products, and it was after that I went on to go and make money with other funnels. In the long run, I realized there wasn't any kind of like hack or shortcut. It was about business fundamentals, systems. That's what did it. So, but the great thing is that I learned that I love marketing and building funnels and helping people, use funnels in their business and get results and see how awesome they are. So, let's talk about how to do this when you don't control the order form. So typically we'll just whip through this. Sales funnel is going to be like, we're going to have our squeeze page, then we're going to have our sales page with it's got a VSL on it, and then a buy button, right? Here's the order form, and this is the item here. Now, in a typical sales funnel, we control this order form and what goes on here. If you're an affiliate marketer, and then we'll just say after this is like the fulfillment, the actual fulfillment of the products. We'll just say 2 L's, fulfillment. So after they come into the funnel here, they go through the squeeze page, and then they hit the sales page, hit the buy button, and then come to the order form. Now, that's how it's going to be in the usual funnel setup. But because in this one here, if we're just starting out, we don't have a product, we don't have a list, we don't have anything, this is how you're going to do it, because this is how I did it. So if we say here, this is the affiliate funnel. Can label these as well, just so that we're clear. So on our landing page here, our squeeze page, after they throw in their name and email and opt in and hit the good old submit button, then they're going to land on this page here, which is usually some type of sales page. Now, because we're just starting out, we don't have a list, we don't have a product, we don't have anything to sell. That's okay. We can set up a page here, and then this button here, this buy button, all that's going to be is essentially our affiliate link, right? Now, the great thing about being an affiliate is that if you look around, there's lots and lots of products to promote. Just go find a good solid product, and by starting out with affiliate marketing, you get to actually learn about funnels because you'll see the inside of these funnels that you're going to promote. Another cool thing is that there's affiliate resources available. Like they're going to have pre-written, graphics or emails or all types of stuff, so that to make it faster and easier for you to promote their stuff, because you make money and they make money, so everybody wins. So why not have affiliate tools out there? So go and snatch up your affiliate resources. So the great thing about doing this is when you go, what you want to do is when you're going to look for products to promote, you're going to go and look at like ClickBank or any other type of affiliate network. You're going to go look at the product, and then this is going to be your potential affiliate product. When you go check it out, you're going to land on their sales page, and you want to skip everything on this page. Just keep scrolling, go all the way to the very bottom, and they're going to have a series of links set up. It'll be like all of their, usually like their legal and compliance, but there's a link that we want down at the very bottom that's going to say affiliates, right? And what's going to happen is you're going to click on that, and that's going to take you to their affiliate resource page. Now this is the page where you're going to get all of the goodies that they're going to have available. So they'll have this usually labeled in different sections. So here, this section here will be all like graphics that you can use. Just put the graphic right onto your website, blog, whatever. Here's where we'll have a whole bunch of pre-written emails. So here you just go, there's email number 1, email number 2, email number 3, boom, and just copy and paste. Put those into your broadcast sequence, your email autoresponder, however you have it set up. And then all you're doing is just customizing, right? Even if you go and just barely use the framework of what you're provided there, it still beats starting with a blank empty page and a flashing cursor and trying to type it out yourself. Righto? So then once you go in here, and then you'll usually have to go through like a squeeze page of your own or of theirs to get to this affiliate resource page. So they'll send you some emails in regards to the thing to help you promote it. They'll probably give you stuff where you can watch like videos, like the better the product, the better their affiliate program usually. So they will give you a ton of stuff to go and get started as far as being an affiliate marketer and, using an affiliate funnel to get going here. And the last cool thing that we're going to have on our affiliate resource page is they'll usually have some kind of visual, graphical, it might even just be text, mapped out version of their funnel. So if we take a look and see here, actually inside ClickBank, so we'll go in and we'll find something. Let's go health and fitness. We'll just kind of go down with the non-traditional ones here. So we'll take a look at Yoga Burn. So if we take a look inside here, like I say, so what we want to do is go and we want to go inside Yoga Burn all the way to the bottom. This one's actually a short one because it's just the video. Usually it'll be video and text, but so here we click on affiliates and go down and we can see yeah, whoa, some impressive numbers here. We can read about their what kind of stuff they've got. Let's see. I was hoping to see the funnel layout. But you can see what I'm talking about here as far as we've got banner packages, swipe copies, total body challenge swipe copies. So there's some tools right off the bat. Let's see if we can find... See, they've got a whole host of products. So let's go to the meal plan and cookbook. That's usually good stuff. So let's see here. Meal plan, affiliates. Nope, same thing. Okay, so, and that's just one product. So we go back in. So let's go to page 2. Just picking things at random here. So, Underground Fat Loss Manual. So here we go. You can see this is a long page. So all the way to the bottom, affiliates again. So okay, so we've got some swipe files. We'll see. There we go. So yeah, easy stuff. Just copy and paste. We'll try and find one here with an actual funnel layout. We'll go back to page 1 because usually the better, higher performing funnels are going to have better stuff. So flat belly fix sounds good. Affiliates. So they've got a whole bunch of affiliate resources for their different products here. Tons of products, it looks like. Organifi. Venus Factor. Try a couple more here. But this is how you scope these things out. Affiliates. Nope. Okay, let's try a couple more. Diabetes remedy, back to life, red tea detox. Sorry, I just want to show you as far as they usually have some type of graphical setup here. Affiliates. Come on, be the lucky one. And they'll tell you as far as you'll get information about it here, so you can see as far as 75% commission on the entire funnel, so that's pretty good. Up to $292 per sale if they go and take each of the all the upsells, so that's not bad. Let's see if we can get some graphical representation here. Affiliate agreement. And the red tea detox. Affiliates. Come on. Seeing it's not just money, they'll have like actual prizes and stuff. They'll have giveaways for like physical things with affiliate when you're an affiliate marketer. It's super cool. Okay, usually they will have like a graphic, a drawing, none too different than what I have, what I just did in Paint. But you can see this is how you go and scope out and see not only what products to promote, but how they have their funnel set up, what they're charging, copy that they're using, styles, everything. You can see and learn inside each one of these products here just by doing a little bit of, an hour's worth of research on like ClickBank. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Don't forget to download your funnel blueprints, and I'll see you in the next video.